In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send pictures in emails. Emailing photos can be a great way to share moments with friends, family, or colleagues. Whether you're sending a picture of a special event or an important document, knowing how to add these pictures to your emails efficiently can make all the difference. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step. To start, you'll need to open your email account and navigate to your inbox. Once you're there, look for the button that says Compose or New Email. This button is generally well marked and usually located at the top or side of your email interface, so it should be easy to find. Clicking on this button opens up a new email draft where you can start crafting your message. Once you have your blank email draft opened, take a look at the options provided at the bottom of your email window. You should see several icons representing different functions. Look for one that resembles a photo or an image. This is typically the insert photo icon. Click on this icon to proceed. Often, this icon is meant to help you seamlessly insert images right into your email for easy viewing by the recipient. Clicking on the photo icon will give you different ways to add the images. In most standard email systems, you'll be given a couple of options like choosing from photos in your online albums or uploading photos from your computer. For today's guide, we'll go with the upload option. Click on upload and this will signal your email program to bring up a file selector. A window will open, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Now, you'll want to navigate to the folder or location on your computer where the picture you'd like to send is saved. Once you're in the right folder, simply click on the photo you want to attach. When you click the photo, it should become selected or highlighted. After selecting the right photo, look for a Choose or Open button, typically located at the bottom of this window, and click it. The selected photo should now begin uploading into your email draft. You'll see it appear within your email as a thumbnail or a regular size image depending on your email client. You can resize it or make adjustments as needed, ensuring it appears just the way you want it. Once your photo is in place, proceed to add any necessary text, a subject line, and of course, enter the recipient's email address. After everything looks good, hit the send button to deliver your picture-filled email. And that's it. With these simple steps, your pictures can now be easily shared via email. It's a convenient and effective way to communicate visual information with others, and it enhances your emails with a touch of personality or vital information. If you need to send multiple images at once, consider compressing them into a zip folder or using cloud links to keep your email size manageable. This ensures your email is delivered quickly without overwhelming the recipient's inbox. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.